The Edge Media Group is rallying Corporate Malaysia to make monetary contributions to support the fight against the Covid-19 health crisis. As the country's medical facilities and healthcare workers come under strain, the Edge hopes that Corporate Malaysia and the larger business community will rally around them by contributing to either or both of two funds. The first is the Edge COVID-19 Equipment Fund, where the money will be used to buy medical equipment like protective suits, masks and ventilators. The second is the Edge COVID-19 Healthcare Worker Support Fund, where the funds will be used to give financial assistance to healthcare workers who are infected while caring for COVID-19 patients. Finance Minister Tengku Datuk Sri Zafrul Tengku Abdul Aziz, in lauding the initiative, thanked those who came forward and urged others to help out despite the challenging business environment. Explaining the need for two different funds, publisher and CEO Datuk Ho Kay Tat says Fund 1 will be used to help equip the frontliners so that they can safely do their jobs. Fund 2 is to give financial support to healthcare workers who are infected by COVID-19 while in the line of duty. He said that within 2 days after it decided to launch the initiative, 15.55 million ringgit was raised. Among those who made pledges include the Associated Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry Malaysia, which is giving 1 million ringgit to each fund for a total of 2 million ringgit. Other generous donors include Dialogue Group, Magnum Corp, FWD Group, Perdana Park City, Hartalega Foundation and IJM Corp, just to name a few. PM Tan Sri Muhyiddin Yassin today announced several initiatives to help alleviate the people's burden in the ongoing fight against COVID-19. He says these measures form part of a more comprehensive economic stimulus package and people's aid set to be announced on March 30th. This includes allowing EPF members to withdraw a maximum of 500 ringgit from account 2 on a monthly basis for a period of 12 months starting from April. This is expected to benefit some 12 million members below the age of 55 and involve an estimated 40 billion ringgit. An additional allocation of 500 million is to be made available to the Ministry of Health for the purchase of critical equipment such as ventilators and personal protective equipment. The government is also setting aside 100 million for the MOH to hire 2,000 more new staff, especially nurses, on a contract basis. The federal government has also agreed to channel some 130 million to other states to help the state governments battle the COVID-19 pandemic. The PM gave his reassurance that every state would receive equal allocation, regardless of their political colours, saying that preserving the welfare of the people is the responsibility for all. MyEG Services said its COVID-19 rapid test kit has been qualified for emergency use by the US Food and Drug Administration, paving the way for the sale of the kit in the US. Currently, the number of positive cases stateside has surpassed 33,000 with 417 deaths. Back home, the kit is still pending approval from the Ministry of Health. Earlier, MyEG said the kit had already been approved by health authorities for wide use in China and Europe. Developed by an unnamed reputable Chinese biomedical company, MyEG says the authorization by the FDA and the European CE mark certifies conformity with health, safety and environmental protection standards. MyEG claims that through finger pricking, the kit can generate results within minutes without needing to send the samples to an external laboratory. Last Friday, the MOH had to retract a Facebook post that alleged that the 99 ringgit kit was fake news. Sunway Group's retail division Sunway Malls is offering 20 million ringgit rent-free to non-essential retailers for the 14-day movement control order period. The mall group will also undertake steps to ease credit control for retailers in this difficult period. CEO H.C. Chan says Sunway Malls has taken cognizance of the impact of the order on non-essential retailers due to the mandatory trading cessation of 14 days. For non-essential retailers, which include fashion, home furnishing, entertainment and leisure outlets, the current situation puts a tremendous strain on revenue and cash flow. Chan says that while it supports the government's crucial efforts to stem the outbreak, the mall group also believes in the long-term sustainability of its business partners. He adds that in trying times like this, everyone has the responsibility to shoulder and share the pain, and that the grant is expected to bring a certain degree of relief. The Malaysia Shopping Malls Association is appealing to the government to provide urgent relief as it estimates that the shopping mall industry will lose more than 750 million ringgit during the movement control order. In a statement, PPKM says that the industry requires this urgent relief to preserve cash flow and maintain employment. As such, both landlords and retailers have to collaborate to bear the unprecedented burden and pain together. PPKM reiterated that shopping mall members will need to develop different action plans on a case-by-case basis, depending on different critical factors such as location, business tolerance, and rental structure.